Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into the Cook Standard 8-piece non-stick hard anodized cookware set, a collection that promises to elevate your everyday cooking experience. If you're in the market for durable, reliable pots and pans that can handle a variety of culinary tasks, then stick around as we break down what makes this set tick, and whether it's the right fit for your kitchen. Let's start with the core of this set, the construction. Cook Standard boasts a hard anodized exterior. Now, what does that actually mean for you in the kitchen? Hard anodization is a process that makes the aluminum harder and more durable than standard aluminum. It's essentially creating a tougher surface that's more resistant to wear and tear, and crucially, it forms the base for their non-stick coating. This means you're getting cookware that's built to last, less prone to scratching, and should maintain its integrity over time, even with regular use. The non-stick performance is, of course, a major selling point. The surface is treated to prevent food from sticking, which is a game-changer for many home cooks. It not only makes cooking more enjoyable, especially for delicate items like eggs or fish, but it also dramatically simplifies the cleanup process. Less time scrubbing means more time enjoying your meal or, dare I say, doing something else. Plus, with good non-stick, you can often use less oil or butter, making your meals a bit healthier. When it comes to cooking, even heat distribution is absolutely key for consistent results. This set is made from heavy-duty aluminum, which is known for its excellent heat conductivity. The idea here is that the heat spreads quickly and evenly across the entire cooking surface. This prevents hot spots where food can burn while other areas remain undercooked. For things like searing, sautéing, or simmering, that even heating ensures your food cooks uniformly, leading to better flavor and texture. Now, let's talk about the pieces included in this 8-piece set. You get a versatile collection to cover most of your cooking needs. There are 2 saucepans, a 2-quart and a 3-quart, both with lids. These are perfect for boiling water, making sauces, cooking grains, or reheating leftovers. Then you have a substantial 8-quart stockpot with a lid, ideal for soups, stews, pasta, or boiling corn on the cob. Finally, the set includes an 8-inch and a 10-inch frying pan, or skillet. These are your workhorses for frying eggs, searing meats, making omelets, or stir-frying vegetables. The variety of sizes ensures you have the right tool for the job, whether you're cooking for one or a family. One very important specification to note is what cooktops this set is compatible with, and importantly, what it is not. The Cook Standard set is designed for gas, electric, ceramic, and glass cooktops. However, it is explicitly not compatible with induction stoves. This is because the aluminum bottom, while excellent for heat distribution on other surfaces, isn't ferromagnetic. Induction cooktops require magnetic cookware to generate heat. So, if you have an induction stove, this set won't work for you. It's crucial to check your stovetop type before purchasing. Let's move on to the lids and handles. The tempered glass lids are a nice touch. They allow you to keep an eye on your food as it cooks without lifting the lid, which helps maintain heat and moisture. They also feature a steam vent to prevent boiling over. The handles are made of stainless steel and are riveted for durability. They are designed to be comfortable and provide a secure grip, which is important when you're maneuvering a full pot or pan. A thoughtful detail is the inclusion of a hole at the end of the handles, suggesting you can hang them for storage, which can be a real space saver in smaller kitchens. In terms of oven safety, this set offers a good level of flexibility. The pots and pans themselves are oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is quite high and suitable for finishing dishes under the broiler or for baking. The glass lids are oven safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so you'll need to remove them if you plan to put your cookware in a very hot oven. So, what are the pros and cons of this Cook Standard cookware set? On the positive side, the hard anodized construction offers excellent durability and scratch resistance. The non-stick coating is designed for easy food release and cleanup, making your cooking experience much smoother. The heavy-duty aluminum ensures even and efficient heat distribution, leading to better cooking results. The set includes a good range of essential pieces for everyday cooking, and the oven-safe rating is quite generous. The comfortable handles and vented glass lids add to the user-friendliness. However, there are a few drawbacks to consider. The most significant is the incompatibility with induction cooktops. This is a deal-breaker for a specific segment of the market. While hand washing is recommended for longevity, which is common for non-stick cookware, some users might prefer a set that is fully dishwasher safe without caveats. Also, like all non-stick cookware, there's always a concern about the longevity of the non-stick coating over extended periods of very aggressive use, although the hard anodized base should offer good protection. In conclusion, the Cook Standard 8-piece non-stick hard anodized cookware set is a solid contender for anyone with a gas, electric, ceramic, or glass cooktop. It offers a compelling combination of durability, non-stick performance, and even heating. The included pieces are well chosen for everyday culinary tasks. Just be sure to verify your stove type, as induction users will need to look elsewhere. If it's compatible with your kitchen setup, this set represents a great value for its build quality and functionality. Link in the description.